very important for children, especially those in JHS and SHS and vocational schools to study ICT. It's very important.
ICT.
Yeah,
ICT. ICT is now part of us. Everything that we do is about ICT. So it is very, very important for everybody to study ICT.
So every child should learn how to use computer and learn it very well as well.
They can use their knowledge and skills in ICT to solve problems in our society.
Now, social media is part of our life in our generation. There are so many problems that we are using social media to solve. For example, if your mother is selling anything, you can use social media to market the products your mother is selling, or the work that your parents are doing. You can use the social media to market them or even advertise them.
When it comes to the designing sector, we do posters, billboard, banners, signboard, websites. All these things are to communicate information to the general public. And our banners can help you to know an event that is about to happen. Our signboard can also direct you to a place that you are going or a shop that you are looking for. All these things are done with ICT, and they are in our society to solve a specific problem.
You can think about even your environment, where you are now, what is going on, that you can use the ICT skill to solve it.
iTwells Web Limited is an incubation company that helps the youth to transform their business ideas into a tangible business asset.
It does a lot of things. We do packaging, illustration, book publication, photography, printing, general printing. We print t-shirts, and of course we also do magazines and souvenirs and any other things.
I started this business 3 years ago, and I was a teacher teaching ICT at Improvement King's Vocational Technical Institute.
And one day I decided to resign and start my own business because I have passion for helping the youth to bring their business ideas into a physical business. Yeah, I decided to come to Cape Coast to set up on my own. And when I came to Cape Coast, I was working with my uncle barbering shop. I was patching with my uncle barbering shop.
So after 6 months, I rented this place and I moved to this side. I started putting things.
Fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, I will encourage you and advise you that if you don't have ICT skills, you better look for one. No matter your profession or your career, you have to learn ICT.
Take it as part of your academics and take it very, very important, because very soon the ICT will bring you good money it will also take you to places that you can never imagine.
Having the skills, learning it very well, using it to solve a problem, it is the most important asset you can have now. In our contemporary era, it is not about going to school only.
It is about going to school, acquiring knowledge, and having ICT skills so that you can fit into our society. So if you are not taking ICT important,
today I advise you that change your mind and learn it well, and it will take you to very far places.